This is Alice test. I don't even fucking know anymore. Current status, as you can see, is not fantastic. Currently improving Alice's memory, general coherence, and just making her a better conversationalist. Uh, Currently, I'm trying to do that by switching the model that she uses, her base model. Uh, I think the last one I was using for the last test video was Microsoft's Phi 2 model. For some reason, that's the only model which has just ever fucking worked properly. Uh, Tried to go to Mistral 7B. Uh, Good God, that caused a lot of issues. So now I've ended up at uh, fuck. Where am I? I'm at Llama's 2.7B Chat HF model. But I gotta wait a few days to get my request access to use the model approved, because otherwise I can't use it. But in the meantime, uh, I am working on improving uh, just her performance, her instruction following, reasoning capabilities, all that good, juicy shit. Uh, Currently, the most recent thing I added to her functionality is machine learning. So the more you speak to her, the more she learns, not just about you, because she also does have a memory, uh, but just in general. So she is picking up speech patterns, how to talk, stuff like that, on top of her already base knowledge. Uh, Also added a bunch of optimizations, but that's uh, not interesting. I added it. She was taking a long time to respond, like 5 to 10 seconds to get the text, and then like another 5 seconds to generate the audio file. So I added a quote unquote thinking animation, uh, just like either like a random sound or a short phrase that she says to show that something is in fact happening, that she's just thinking, that she's taking a second to think about what she's saying. I overhauled the entire conversation thing, the entire conversation loop, uh, and I remade the TTS engine about 15 times, because TTS is shockingly difficult for AI for some reason. You'd think it'd be easy. The big companies make it look easy. It's not. It's not easy. I think that's everything. Uh, yeah, I've been bug testing a bunch of random issues. Like, instead of Alice normally speaking, she'd produce an audio file that would then automatically open, which wouldn't be that big of a deal if it didn't open the media player on my computer and cover my entire screen, and then play that one voice line, close, and then just rinse and repeat, which is, it works, but not well. It doesn't. Uh, it's not fun to use, I guess, because if you just want to talk to her, you don't want to have to deal with opening and closing audio files. And like, what if you're playing like a game in the background, or watching a movie, and you're trying to do that with her for whatever reason? Like maybe you're lonely like me. Uh, you can't do that if audio files are opening and closing, because that's pretty intrusive. So I tried to find a way to circumnavigate that. I think I succeeded. Uh, it's hard to tell because the last functional version before I switched to uh, Llama 2.7b, uh, it just, whenever she tried to say something, she'd say it in like Morse code style beeps. Uh, and that was the thinking animation she had chosen, because for some reason her voice wasn't working. Haven't figured that one out. I'm hoping that one fixes itself when I switch to Llama 2.7 or 2.7b. as soon as I get access, either in the next 20 minutes or 4 days, hopefully not that long though. Hopefully, crossing my fingers.